I do for you today?
Me and my brother were wondering if you could make us the perfect toy.
Well, of course I can.
Yay!
If it were possible.
What do you mean, Mr. Toy Maker?
Well, you see, children, I can make toys that blink. I can make toys that walk. I can make them eat. And I can make them talk. I can make posters that read there. Fun, fun, fun. But these toys just aren't fun for anyone.
But why, Mr. Toy Maker?
Well, you see, children, the secret to any good selling toy is to make them lifelike. You see, my toys can blink, but they can't see. My toys can walk, but they can't dance. My toys can eat, but they can't taste. My toys can talk, but they can't sing. I've been thrown away like a broken toy. Believe me, children, I've tried to make the perfect toy, but I can't do it all on my own. Oh, boo-hoo.
Is there anything we could do to help?
Why, yes, there is.
Well, what is it?
There are 3 main ingredients that I need, but I used up all my supplies, so you'll have to get them for me.
But we don't have any money.
Don't you want to be happy? The first ingredient is needle and thread.
Hello, I'm a Mac. And I'm Jason. No, you're a PC. I am? What's a PC? You know, the thing with the tower and the keys and stuff? Oh. Hello, I'm a Mac. What the hell is that? It's Tower of Keys. Seriously, why are we doing this? Why is he here? Hello, I'm a Mac. And I'm confused. Hello, I'm a Mac. Whoa, everything seems so real. Hello, I'm a Mac.
It's peanut butter jelly time. Peanut butter jelly time.
Hello, I'm a Mac.
You didn't hear all of those yet.
There's one thing I hate, it's doing yard work. What's that over there? Well, just run over it.
G-Bo, what you doing?
What's it look like I'm doing?
Don't look like you're doing much of nothing. So are we going hunting or not?
Of course we are. I just need to change the tire on my pickup first.
Haven't you fixed that thing yet?
Don't look like it to me.
Well, do you have a spare tire for it or not?
No, but I think I can just take one off the back and put it on front.
It's hard to believe that you actually graduated the 5th grade.
I'll have you know that I graduated the 6th grade.